How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a trade I took today on SPY, kind of give you my thought process, how I use SPX to help me trade this. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to start by saying this was not the exact trade I was looking for pre-market. Kind of had to adapt once XPX opened and I seen exactly where we was. We opened right below this 4,000 area, had a nice push up. I told everyone in Team Bull I'm entering SPY puts here, 3998 area. I added a little more when we pushed on up there. If you're looking at SPY, it's off this candle here, the one we took 5 minutes into market open, and it did exactly what we wanted it to do. We took puts, it rejected that nicely. You may look at this chart and say, hey, we had strength there, why would you reject that on SPY? Just looking at SPY, it looks like we have strength, right? But you look over here on SPX, you can see we're right below that big, huge whole psychological number, which happens to be a very nice resistance on the hourly time frame. And that's why I took this trade. As traders, we have to be able to adapt. And that's what we did here. I was super light in this trade. I did not go heavy. One reason I didn't go heavy, what I didn't like, was how close we opened to it pre-market. I don't like to go super heavy if we hit something immediately off the open. If the reject area is pretty close or if we've touched that area pre-market. But it did look good on SPX. It was worth a shot. Took it light. I knew exactly where I was going to stop at, which was roughly 60 cents on the SPY price above my entry. That would allow for the proper risk to reward ratio. And it worked out. Definitely worked out if you held all day. As you can see here, we pushed all the way back down to prior close, which is honestly ideal. This is what you want to see when you're trading my data trading strategy. Not that we had data this morning, but this is a perfect example of what I look for when trading that. I like to see a nice push up off the open, then continue back down to prior day close. That's all I have for this video. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Keep in mind, I go live on Instagram every single morning. So come join us. It's 100% free. We start at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time is when we actually create the day trading watch list, get a game plan together. Hopefully I'll see you all there. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.